Park House Dispatcher. This is the Animal Senior giving you green flag. This is pre-final since we qualified today. In first we have Daniel the Hammering, followed by Brandon Lundy, Lisa Roche, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. John. Wait, hang on. Sorry, I just started this. I wasn't really prepared. I don't have my bearings. There are 221s, and but anyways, it's the Hammer in first, as it looks like he will come out of the kink and lead the first lap. Leanna Ostrowski holding off three people behind her, one of which is Chloe Baker. Baker looking on the inside as she's denied though as they head into no man's land. Meanwhile, Daniel Ring leads a lap. Ring and Lundy escaping from the rest of the pack as Lisa Roche is all alone. Same with Jonathan Burke and Mike Rain. Behind them, Leanna Ostrowski is holding off. I can't tell who that is, but it looks like they just got a little sideways there. And it looks like Daniel Ring will lead another lap, followed once again by Brandon Lundy. Weaving through the hairpin, the pack is kind of separated now, with the only real battle happening for second to last as the 22 and 28 are fighting hard. But here we go, Daniel Ring, Brandon Lundy, and Lisa Roche, top three. Pack is still separating out, but right now Leanna Ostrowski is right on the back of Mike Rain. Mike Rain leads another lap. Dan Ring leads another lap. Ostrowski looks on the inside of Mike Rain, but she is shut down as there's a little bit of contact heading into the boot. Leanna Ostrowski still looking for a way around it. And she finally does get around him, and the 24 is looking for a way on the outside heading into no man's land. Meanwhile, Dan Ring leads another lap. White flag, one to go. White flag, one to go. And three wide heading into the second turn of the hairpin. Leanna Ostrowski on the outside is passed back by Mike Rain, but she's on the inside heading into the boot. And oh, contact as the 24 gets off the track. Meanwhile, heading back up front, Dan Ring will win the race right now, followed by Brandon Mundy, Lisa Roche, Jonathan Berg, Mike Ring, Leanna Ostrowski, Chloe Baker, no name, 22. 120.29. And last but not least is the car that was sadly taken out, the 24. That rounds up our Animal Junior class. Pre-final. Thanks for watching. Cambridge University Park House Dispatcher. This is the Animal Senior as they get the green flag. Daniel Ring gets the green. No. Well, they all waved. So that's a
legend.
the naked racing lesson. The legend.
I am not naked.
What, before then you were?
No, I was not naked.
But anyways, the seniors, Daniel Ring.
It's
Daniel Ring, Lundy.
No, it's Daniel Ring, Brandon Lundy, Daniel Ring's dad. I believe. Then it is, if I can see.
That's Mike Ring.
Yeah, that's Mike Ring. And then Jonathan Burke, Nick, Z-Bart, Leon Ostrowski, what's his face?
They get the green flag, Jonathan Burke right on the They get the green flag, Jonathan Burke right on the bumper of Lundy.
And I believe soon enough, Lisa Brux will get the meatball flag.
Yeah, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, she's pulling off.
I don't know, it's like guys he's not in our four-cycle gang.
We have gangs?
Yes. Gang. Yeah.
The Hammer is pulling ahead of everyone else right now, not really pulling ahead, but the Hammer, Lundy, and Burke are all right next to each other as, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Ring is...
After one lap of Animal Senior, your home field would be Daniel Ring, Brandon Lundy, Jonathan Burke, Burke. Listen to me. Leon Ostrowski, Migraine.
You don't know your own sister. Oh my gosh, Leon Ostrowski was just back like Migraine.
Justin, I don't know who Justin is. Or Josh, or whatever his name is. And it's Chloe Baker, Corey Gilpatrick, and Nikki Z-Bart. And then this is
I thought it was Zybart.
Z-Bart. Doesn't matter.
It's all the same. Meanwhile, the Hammer has Lundy right on his back bumper as they head through the kink. Lundy might be looking for a way around him. No? Okay, fine. Be boring.
Who were we making fun of last week?
You were making fun of.
No, me and you both.
No.
Who were we making fun of?
No, you were making fun of.
Alright, who was I making fun of?
I don't know.
I think it was like a...
Man, that was Justin. No,
it was like... No.
Lundy is looking for a way around the Hammer at every corner he can, but the Hammer is just that good at keeping him off
So
passing.
nothing's really happening. Let's just take a shot over at the track.
Things are happening.
As they just pass the track. Separated apart is still Daniel Ring, Brandon Lundy, Jonathan Burke, Leon Ostrowski, Mike Ring, two-second guy, Chloe Baker, Corey Gilpatrick, and Riley,
Gilpatrick.
Z-Bart.
Or Zybart.
Z-Bart.
Zybart. Whoa.
He comes over to my house every day.
His words hurt me. He did just looking for a way around Mike Ring as it heads. No, never mind. Mike Ring is pulling away from the 24.
Tyler Jacobs. It's Tyler
Tyler Jacob. That is very important. You will need to know that if you want to go far. If you don't know who Tyler Jacob is, you're not going to get a house. You're not going to find... Whoa, you just like flew in my hair. Dude, that was scary.
Has pulled away from the rest of the field. And then...
Jonathan Burke being amazing.
Is like
Jonathan.
5 seconds behind, and then Leanna's 3 seconds behind Jonathan Burke.
Your Highness. And there we go, Tyler Johnson.
Tyler Jacobson.
Jacobson.
No, it's like Tylerson Jacobson.
Tylerson Jacobson. Looking for a way around Mike Ring at every corner he can. Still not finding a way to pass Mike Ring. I know it is. Nothing else is happening right now except for the pass for Mike Ring. Lundy is right on Dan Ring's bumper though.
Except for as much as Matthew is talking, most of his words are repetitive. There's nothing that's happening. Let's start Matthew first. Yes.
My show. This is my show. You're ruining my integrity. ESPN won't hire me now.
They wouldn't have hired you anyway.
Brendan, the little children weren't hurt. Brendan.
Apparently, little children were hurt in the making of this video, and it's evidence it is.
That made no sense, but Dan Ring is leading another lap, followed by Lundy. Jonathan Burke, most amazing driver. Leanna Ostrowski, Tylerson Jacobson, passed, no he didn't. Mike Ring, Tylerson Jacobson, Chloe Baker, 22.
It's 22, and people is actually Corey Gilpatrick. This guy right here can't pronounce his name, so.
I can't remember it. I'm awful with
names. But you remember Mike.
So this is like the worst job for me.
So anyway, it is Daniel Ring, Brandon Lundy, Jonathan Burke, Jonathan Burke, Tylerson Jacobson, Mike Rain, Chloe Baker, Corey Gilpatrick, and then Nick Kart, and that's just like the guy. He's not part of this video. He's in a different video.
You're not part of it. But anyways, they get the white flag as it looks like the Hammer will win this race unless Lundy can pull something out of his sleeve at the last minute.
It's white flag.
Oh, I thought he waved it. No, he totally waved it.
Want to bet? Just like move the camera over here. You want to bet? No. Want to bet? Want to bet?
I hate you. So now it is a white flag, and it still looks like the Hammer will beat Lundy unless he pulls something out of his sleeve at the last second. He is followed by Jonathan Burke and Leanna Ostrowski.
I want all of you to remember for the next video that Matthew Burke posted some money.
I ain't betting no cash. Dude, you're trying to steal from a poor man. I ain't even got a cent, yo.
That sounded really like...
No, it didn't.
At least you aren't wearing a hood.
But anyways, it looks like the Hammer will win the race. He's holding up a finger triumphantly. Followed by Lundy.
It's at the line. It's Daniel, the Hammer, Ring, Jonathan Burke, and then
you passed Lundy.
And then Leanna Ostrowski, Tylerson Jacobson, Mike Ring, Chloe Gilpatrick, 22, Nick Seaguard, and just like a guy that I don't remember his name and didn't even.
Number 10. What's it? Wait. Jeremy Burkholz.
Jeremy Burkholz.
And that is it for this
it's like
sexy
your name,
video. No.
It's your name combined with holes.
Get in close and be like, that's it for this sexy video. Please tune in next time to hear my sweet voice. Yeah, we gotta
anyway, turn in.